Hello everyone, this is Suresh Pararimot with you. Today I am here to discuss about the ChatGPT. Okay, so this ChatGPT is a very hot topic nowadays, right? Everyone is talking about ChatGPT, its advantages, its disadvantages, and all the things. In this video, we'll understand what are the advantages of the ChatGPT, how it is useful for the students, teachers, lecturers, working professionals. Alright, so let us begin with the video. Let us see what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an chatbot which can answer our questions, which can answer whatever the questions we have and we want to ask the ChatGPT, the answers will be given. Then what's the difference between the Google and the ChatGPT? That's what the main important thing we want to know. In this video, I'll make sure that you understand the difference between the Google and the ChatGPT. Alright. To use the ChatGPT, let us go to the Google and look for the ChatGPT on directly. So now here we can see we can go to the ChatGPT directly by using a chat.openai.com. Through this you can directly enter into the ChatGPT, or if you have a trouble using this URL, you can also directly go to the openai.com. This openai.com is the company or the website who developed the ChatGPT. When you enter the openai.com, so you can scroll down and you have an option here called as a ChatGPT, or you can see the new link here, introducing ChatGPT research release try. You can also click this one, or you can just go to the ChatGPT here, and once you enter the ChatGPT, you will have this screen here. This is for the ChatGPT specifically, and in this try ChatGPT, go to the try ChatGPT. When you click this, you will have a window here called chat.openai.com. Alright, when you want to use the ChatGPT for the first time, you have to create an account here. You can use Gmail or any other email account to sign up to ChatGPT. Once you sign up, so you can log in and start using your ChatGPT. Now let us see this one. So I'll sign up again. Once I click sign up, it will ask for an email address. I'll change this one to Abhay's email ID, and I'll create some password here. Right, so it is asking for verify your email. There will be an email sent from the ChatGPT to my email ID, whatever I have given. So I have to go there and click the link and to verify my email address. So open Gmail, then there is an OpenAI verify your email. Click on it and verify your email address. Alright, so once you have done the verification, so then you will see the original ChatGPT window. It's asking for your name. I'll say this is Abhay Suresh, and then continue. It also needs the phone number. Let us see whether it will accept the phone number. I have received an SMS to my phone, and I will enter that number here, and it is ready to use. Alright, this is our ChatGPT window here available. This is how you will sign up and log into the ChatGPT. This is for the first time. So once you log in and the next time you have no problem, so you can directly go to the chat.openai.com. So then you will be inside directly like this. Alright, so this is how we are going to use the ChatGPT. And let us see now what ChatGPT can do for us and how it can be helpful for the students and others. Alright, now let us ask the ChatGPT some questions. I have prepared some questions beforehand to make this video quick and faster. I have some questions here for the ChatGPT. Let us start asking one by one question. Alright, I have a question here. What is machine learning? Let us quickly go here and then copy and paste. Copy this and paste it in the ChatGPT. What is machine learning, and enter. I'll have the quick information here. It says machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithm that can learn pattern something, right? So this is the one thing. It will give the quick information whatever you are asking, okay, and also the history, whatever the questions you are asking, it will be stored in the history here like this. You can see on my left corner the machine learning, all these things, right? If I ask a second question, the second question also will appear here on my left screen, so that next time whenever I want the same question to be asked, I don't need to type again. So I can just click on the same question on the left side, left corner, so then I'll get my answer. One thing. So now here, now I'm saying what is machine learning, and it has given the answer. To understand the difference between the Google and the ChatGPT, what we will do here is we'll paste the same question, what is machine learning, into the Google. Okay, and let us see what Google will say. Google is saying all this information right from the Wikipedia, okay, and it has shown the many options here, many web pages here. Okay, so many tabs are open here, many options, many websites it has given, but Google doesn't have its own information about what is machine learning. That's the difference. The Google is a search engine which can suggest us the different websites which are available and which can give us the meaning of a machine learning. Okay, it can only suggest the websites which can give us the meaning of a machine learning, but whereas the ChatGPT can give us the direct information taken from some sources. So it will get the information in a crisp, in the proper way, and it will give it to us. Alright, this is a one sample question I asked here. I have some more questions for the ChatGPT. Let us go and check. Write a Python program to find the area of a circle. It's not about only the description here I want. It can also write a program for us. It can also do the mathematics for us. It can do the wonders. It can do whatever you want to be done. Now write a Python program to find the area of a circle. I'll copy this and paste it into the ChatGPT. Let us see what it will do. Here is a sample Python program that calculates the area of a circle, and it's writing the program for you. Alright, and it also explains the program to you so you can understand the program by reading these instructions. If you don't want it to continue, you can click on the stop generating. So it can write a program for us in Python, Java, C++, C, whichever programming language programs you want, you can ask for the program. Even there is a copy code, you can go and paste this in the whichever compilers you want to use. You can use the compilers to run this and get the answer. Alright, and similar way I have another program, that's a Java program to find the area of a circle. Okay, let us ask this question. Java program to find the area of a circle. The same type of a program. Here I asked for the Python, so now I have asked for the Java. Let us see. This is a Java program to find the area of a circle. Right? This can be helpful for us to complete the assignment, for completing any kind of essays or write-ups, or anywhere we can use this one, but use it wisely. Because suppose if you are looking for this type of a program in the Google, if you are looking for a program to find the area of a circle, Google will give the 10 hundreds of websites. There you have to go and check whether the where is exactly this program. Along with this, there will be a lot of other programs also. You have to understand the difference. You have to see which is good for you, then take it. It takes a lot of time. to find exact program which you want. But the ChatGPT can be helpful for saving our time, so we can directly get the program, exact program what we want. To test this one, you can use the copy code here and put it in the compiler and run and check whether answer is correct or not. And we can understand this program and learn and use it for your assignment purpose or any other purposes. Alright, use it wisely when you are using this ChatGPT. Let us see what else ChatGPT can do for us. This is for writing program, writing a description and asking some questions. You have done all these things. Let us see one more thing. PowerPoint presentations you want to make, or you want to write a short description about some pages, all those things. There I find it's very useful. Let us see this. I have used some informations here. I have one research paper published recently. So this one, I'll just take this abstract, okay, the information, brief information, and this information I'll paste it here and ask for the PowerPoint presentation of that abstract. There's one more thing here. In ChatGPT, you can bring the information from outside and you can paste it here. But if you want to go to the next line, if you just press enter key, it will not take you to the next line. Instead, it will start giving the answer. Let us see here. Make a PPT for the below abstract. Alright, so now how I'm going to copy this abstract here. If I press the enter key, then it will start producing some answers. So you can use the shift plus enter. If you press shift plus enter, then it will go to the next line. Here I can paste the information what I want. I said make a PPT for the below abstract and I have put the information, pasted the information. Then now I will press the enter key and let us see what it will say. Before continuing, so here this ChatGPT is not a GUI based, it's not a graphical, so it is only the text based. It can only give us the information in the text based way but not in the graphical way. So it cannot make a presentation for us. Instead, it can suggest us what we can put it in the presentation, PowerPoint presentation. Alright, when I ask this question here, make a PowerPoint presentation for this information or abstract, it says, I am sorry, but as an AI language model, I don't have a capability to create a PowerPoint presentation. I can only provide text-based outputs. If you would like, I can help you write a bullet points or an outline of the presentation. So here it can give us the information. So here it can take the follow-up questions. So when I say yes here, yes, I want to use the text-based outputs. So then it has given me this output here. Sure, here an outline of your presentation on evaluating strategies of environmentally responsible energy usage in a fourth industrial revolution. This is my research paper title. These are the bullet points it has provided: introduction, energy concern in manufacturing sector, strategics, role, future research, conclusion, and all the things. This is so useful. It has picked up all the information whatever we have given here, right? From this information it has picked up the titles, it has given the bullet points, what I can discuss inside that, everything it has done. This is so useful when you are making a PowerPoint presentation out of your one page or two page more pages information. If you want to convert it into a PowerPoint presentation, I have one more paper here. This is my short communication editorial. Here let us take this few paragraphs from this and let us ask ChatGPT to make it as a short description. Write a short description for this. Let us see what it will do. Write a short description for the below information. Alright, so now I will paste this information and let us press the enter key. Alright, it says humanoid robots have been developed in various parts of the world since Honda introduced. This is the write-up about the humanoid robots. So here you can see the write-ups. It has summarized all the one page of information into this one single paragraph. And when you read this one, I have done this already. So when you read this one, so you can see, you can understand all this one page of information, what is written there. It is a summary of that one page of information. This is very, very useful in this way. Alright, when you want to compress the information, when you want to expand the information, right, all these places, it is more useful when you are writing an essay or when you are writing in short answers for the particular question, or big answers, what you call like detailed answers for any particular questions. This is very, very useful. Okay, all right, thank you so much for watching video. That's all from my side. Please subscribe to my channel for further videos.